Today we're going to draw dinosaurs. Well, we're going to start with one, my friend the Stegosaurus. Now, Stegosaurus is an herbivore, and so when we finish, I'm going to have another video for you about how to draw another herbivore friend. But first, let's start with our Stegosaurus. So, Stegosaurus has a big back with lots of spines that come out, lots of plates that come out. So what we're going to do is start with a big bell shape for the back. So do you see my bell shape? That's what I want you to start with. Maybe it's a little bit shorter than mine. Mine's a little taller than I normally like. But go ahead and draw a bell shape. This is most of its body. We're going to need a little bit more on each side, so make sure you're not going all the way to the edges of your paper. Let's go ahead and do one side. Let's give our Stegosaurus a face and a body. So we're going to take one side of the bell, and we're going to make an up, and then a down, and then a curve around. And that's our little face. That's so cute. Have it come on in with a neck. Good. And a little farther in so that it's inside the body. The neck goes into the body. From there, you're going to come, let's go on the other side and make our tail. So all the way over here, going to make a little bit longer of a line and then curve it in. See how I've got a curved tail? That's good, that's good. And it should have a big open space right in between. This is where our legs are going to go. So the front leg is going to come down at an angle and then out again. This is its elbow. So, oh, mine's a little backwards. Like this. There we go. So it's walking with its elbow, and right here we've got the crook of its elbow. And then we want to come back and make another elbow. And the Stegosaurus has big, strong, flat feet. So go ahead and just come out just a tiny bit. And like you're making an elephant foot, just a big, flat foot on the bottom. I like to make mine just a slightly round edge so that it looks more 3D. Now we want to do the same for the back leg, but they are higher up. You'll notice how the tail is higher than the neck. That's on purpose. So we're going to have our back leg come back, over, give it our little tail, up, over, and into the body. Then we need to give it a belly. Go ahead and draw a line that connects your two legs. Good. Now, should a Stegosaurus only have 2 legs? No, it should have 4. So let's make some legs that are layered. We're going to put one back here. There's a back leg. And then let's put one more over here. I'm going to follow the same pattern that we've drawn before. Good. And we don't want to forget our face. So this little bump right here is where our eye is going to go. I'm going to draw a little circle for the eye. You can fill in that eye however you like. I like to, I'll bring you closer to see what I did. I like to make it mostly black with a little white dot. Then go ahead and give your Stegosaurus a nostril right at the edge. Boop. And that's a little dot, kind of hard to see from how far away you are. There's some more visible. And a smile. Or you can give it a silly face or a frown, up to you. It's your Stegosaurus. And now our plates. So the plates of a Stegosaurus are kind of like diamond shapes, except unlike a diamond shape, most of it, or a lot of it, is going to go inside the body. So it's like a diamond shape that you stuck inside the Stegosaurus. So they get smaller at the front and get bigger towards the back. So go ahead and watch what I'm going to do. Little diamond, a little bit bigger diamond, a little bit bigger diamond. See how we're getting bigger? Bigger diamond, bigger diamond, big, some real big ones back here on its back. And then they're going to start to get small again towards the tail. And this is important. At the edge of the tail, the Stegosaurus has spikes. So you're going to draw sharp lines, like little triangles, really tall, thin triangles. And he's done. That's a Stegosaurus. Pretty fast, pretty simple. So my video is going to stop here, but I'm also going to include a video for you of a Stegosaurus's friend, Triceratops. Maybe you want to draw them together, same page. Maybe they're eating grass together or whatever you want. Some leaves. And in future weeks, you'll learn how to draw some other dinosaur friends. This will all be great in the books that you're working on. Have fun and good luck.